You ready? Are you on?
Yeah.
Here, swim. Swim to me, honey. Come here.
Swim, kick.
Come on, kick those legs. Come here. Yeah, come here. Paddle, kick, kick. Come on, you can do it.
Go, girl.
Come
Good
on.
girl.
Kick those legs, honey.
Hard,
Yeah. Kick hard.
Good
Come on.
girl.
You got it.
Yay.
You're almost there. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more.
Woo.
You did it. You're swimming like a fish.
Good
Come on,
job.
swim to me. Yeah. Come on, honey.
Kick, kick, kick.
You're what? What was that?
She said, I'm going.
All right, come on. You going? Let's go this way.
Kick, baby. Go, go,
Let's go,
go.
Granny.
Hey, sit on your
Come
board
on.
like this. Sit on it.
Kick those legs.
Go, Karis. Go,
Keep your head
Karis.
up. Keep your head up and kick those legs.
Go, Karis.
Yeah, girl.
Or sit on that one.
You were swimming, honey.
Good
You were swimming all
job.
by yourself.
Girl.
Can you believe that? You're swimming all by yourself. You like it? Yeah. Look at you kicking. Like a little frog in the water. You look like a little frog.
Get her away from the dog, honey.
Go to your brother. Keep your head up. Spin it out.
Kick it here. Kick here. Come on,
Okay,
girl.
keep your head up. Alrighty.
I'm
Come on.
ready for you.
Go hard.
Go to
Kick
sissy.
hard.
Kick hard. Kick hard. Kick hard.
Go all the way to sissy.
Show her how to paddle her hands, too, honey.
What now?
Show her how to paddle her hands.
Oh, listen, Karis. Take your hands and do like this. Like a paddle. Let me see.
Can't let them fall over.
Look here. Take,
I going.
take your hands and do just like a paddle. Keep the fingers